Hello everyone! For today's bonus video, I'd like to introduce you to this great new planner concept that I found out a couple of weeks ago. I actually found out about this planner by accident while I was browsing the regular planners for the giveaway I held 2 weeks ago. But I fell in love with this particular concept, so I had to share this honest review as soon as I could. This is the Eve Planner by Good Planner, and it's a completely customizable digital planner. Instead of picking a layout and sticking with it for an entire year, the Eve Planner gives you the tools to create your own planner and add all the templates and pages you could possibly think of. One of the most amazing things about this planner is that you get incredible value for the price you pay. You can find the planner available for download currently for $25, and instead of a yearly planner, you can use this planner forever, since it is completely customizable to your needs and all the dates can be managed individually so you are not stuck with a fixed layout. I would actually love for Good Planner to come up with a date package for the Eve Planner so I could set it up with all dates until the end of 2018 and then add the rest of my spreads manually, but until then you have the flexibility to just add the dates that matter to you instead of having tons of empty pages in a planner whenever you're not as busy. The package comes with 2 versions of the planner, the rose gold and the silver, as well as more than 20 templates available with things like expenses and habit trackers, recipe pages, workout and fitness, monthly, weekly, and 2 types of daily pages, and so on. You also get tons of stickers, tabs, and accessories to fully customize your planner. The Eve Planner is fully prepared for your GoodNotes app in your iPad. This is because the planner has tons of clickable links and needs the lasso tool to manage things like tabs, placement of sticky notes, and copying and pasting the templates. Sometimes clicking certain elements in the page can be a bit tricky, but if you zoom in a little bit, you can quickly overcome this problem. Here I'm creating colored tabs to start dividing my planner into monthly spreads in the right side and topic or task-based spreads in the left side. As you can see, I have tabs including trackers, lists, projects, my semester, and habits in the left tab. You can then copy and paste these tabs individually into each page so you can jump back and forth between templates wherever you are in your planner, or just keep all the tabs together in your front page and then click the button in the middle of the rings to access that front page whenever you like. To introduce new templates in your planner, you just need to access the template file and use the lasso tool to include all the writing elements and text boxes within that template. Then just copy those elements into the tab and page where you would like to see them, and you have your first spread available. If you want more pages of that type of template, all you need to do is copy and paste that particular page. Paired up with the flexibility of your stylus or Apple Pencil, the Eve Planner is like a digital bullet journal where you can add pages, remove pages, add sticky notes, colored pages, notes, to-do lists, and so on. If you like this concept, I'm doing another giveaway and all the information will be provided down below in case you want to get your hands on this new planner. I hope you've enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the new entry in our back to school series coming up this Friday. Bye!